come on in. This is our little 1-bedroom ground floor property in Hazlemere in a quaint little purpose-built development. You've got the kitchen just through here. White goods, oven, tumble dryer, fridge, freezer and washing machine. Through here you've got the living area with new laminate flooring and Venetian blinds. Really good, bright, open space. Through here is a really good sized bedroom, big enough for king size. And then just behind, you've got family bathroom with bath and shower.